Bity app. The pros, the cons. Most people think buying or selling crypto always requires complex exchanges, verification delays, and endless waiting. But the Bity app changes that narrative. It's designed to make crypto transactions simple, fast, and compliant, all without sacrificing privacy. So, what makes it stand out? And what should you watch out for? Let's find out. Starting with the pros. The Bity app is a Swiss-based crypto platform that focuses on seamless fiat-to-crypto conversions. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other major coins directly using bank transfers or cards. What's impressive is that it operates under strict Swiss financial regulations, giving users peace of mind about transparency and compliance. One major advantage is that Bity doesn't require invasive identity verification for small transactions. You can purchase crypto up to a set limit without submitting full kick documents, a rare feature today. This makes it ideal for users who value privacy but still want legal and regulated access to digital assets. The app also integrates with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, so you can easily send purchased crypto directly to your cold storage. That's a huge plus for security-conscious investors. Now for the cons. While Bity excels in simplicity, it's not the best choice for active traders. The platform doesn't offer advanced trading tools, charts, or real-time order books. It's purely focused on quick buys and sells. Another drawback is limited coin support. If you're looking to trade niche tokens or explore DeFi projects, you'll need another wallet or exchange. Additionally, Bite's transaction fees can be slightly higher than some large global exchanges, especially on smaller purchases. In conclusion, the Bity app is perfect for those who value security, privacy, and ease of use over complexity. It's great for everyday users who want a trustworthy, regulation-compliant way to buy crypto. But if you're chasing low fees or broad market access, you might find it a bit restrictive. Still, in a world filled with shady platforms, Bity proves that crypto convenience and Swiss reliability can coexist beautifully.